Skibble departure, Delta 161.
Delta 161, hello sir, climb level 130, speed is yours.
Okay, we just suffered a left engine stall. We'd like to get vectors and a little bit of delay to sort this out. Give you a call back in just a minute. We're going to be returning to Skibble.
Delta 161, copy sir, and advise me what you want to do.
Give me some delaying vectors over the water and I'll get back to you in about 2 minutes.
What's it okay, Kilo 1198?
Kilo 1198, vectors island 36 center, information Mike.
Information Mike, vectors for the 36 center, Kilo 198.
Kilo 1050, heading 125, call 118405.
Heading 125, 18405, Kilo 1050.
And Skibble departure, Delta 161. We'd like to climb to 4,000, please.
Delta 161, level 40 is approved.
Level 40, Delta 161.
Delta 161 emergency. We're coming to a heading to 300 to get off your departure, climbing to 4.
Delta 161, copy your Mayday, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180.
Delta 161, time for frequency change.
Go ahead, Delta 161.
126.680.
126.680, Delta 161.
Kilo 1198, reclear you for ILS 27 due to inbound emergency.
Delta 27, Kilo 198.
Delta 161, I can keep you on this heading for about 8 miles more, then you will be flying out of my airspace. Would you like to turn to the left or to the right?
Turn to the right would be fine, Delta 161.
161, right heading 300.
Right 300.
Delta 161, your time for some questions?
Go ahead for Delta 161.
Yeah, we got a runway 36 center available for you later on. How long do you think you anticipate before you're ready for the approach?
5 to 10 minutes, and for the overweight landing length of runway, we would prefer 27 unless the winds really favor 36.
Yeah, the wind at the moment on the ground is 060 with 5 knots only. The wind up in the air is about north with 10. So we have 27 is available, of course. It's all up to you. Any runway is available.
36 right's fine, Delta 161.
36 right or 36 center? What do you prefer?
36 center is fine too.
Okay, Delta 161. Delta 161, turn right heading 030.
Right 030, Delta 161.
Do you have any preference for right or left turns later on?
No sir, this is fine. We probably only need one more turn. We're talking to company right now, just letting them know we're coming back.
Oh, excellent. Delta 161?
Delta 161, go ahead.
Yeah, after the shower just passing the airfield, it seems like the wind is shifting again to the north-northwest. We have for now 310 with 7 and 010 with 5 knots only. So if you like, 27 is still an option.
We're planning on 36 setting up for it now, so 36 center is fine, sir.
Okay, thank you. Delta 161, turn right heading 170.
Right 170 is Delta 161. Is that 070 or 170, Delta 161?
Delta 161, heading 170.
170, thank you.
Delta 161, turn right heading 240.
Right 240, Delta 161. Delta 161, wind check.
Wind 1080 with 5 knots, and for 27050 with 2 knots.
080 at 5 for 36 center, thanks. And Delta 161 requested descent to 2000 to get below the clouds.
Delta 161 descend to 2000, Cuban 8 to standard 1013.
1013 going down to 2, Delta 161, thanks.
Delta 161, would you like some vectors already towards final, or would you like to have another delaying vector?
Vector's to final now, Delta 161, thanks.
Delta 161, turn left heading 120.
Left 120, Delta 161.
Delta 161, turn left heading 105.
Left 105, Delta 161.
Delta 161, turn left heading 085.
Left 085, Delta 161.
About 20 miles out.
20 out, thanks, Delta 161. Delta 161.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Disregard.
Great.
Delta 161 would like a turn inside of this weather.
Delta 161, turn left heading 040. Clear for the Atlas approach, runway 36 Select.
Left 040.
The latest wind is variable at just 2 knots, so it's almost no wind on the ground.
Delta 161, roger.
Delta 161, you got localizer capture?
Delta 161, affirmative.
Okay, thank you, sir. You can remain district. You see the tower will take over shortly. Goodbye.
Delta 161, thank you.
Delta 161, this is Schiphol Tower. You're clear to land at runway 36 center. The surface wind is calm.
Clear to land 36 center, Delta 161.
Delta 161, for your information, emergency services standing by.
Delta 161, thank you.
Wind check 150, 5 knots. Delta 161, you okay, sir?
Delta 161, we are fine. Would like to return to the gate. We're going to have to call company and find out which one.
Delta 161, well, it looks here like it's Echo 75. I understand you can vacate the runway and as far as you're concerned, taxi back to a parking position.
That is correct. Delta 161 understands parking spot Echo 75.
Delta 161, call the ground controller on 121.905.
121.905. Good day, Delta 161.